Hello, everyone. Are you from a civil background? A civil graduate? Working on site? Working in estimation, purchase and contracts? Do you wish to make career in cost consulting? Come, join a consulting company. We provide consulting services to companies like Shapurji Palan Ji, L&T, Tata Projects, Hiranandani, Lodha Group, Wadhwa, Navi and many companies in residential, commercial, industrial, and infrastructural sector. Knowing the requirement of the market, we provide requirement-based training to professionals from civil background and train them for being a QS consultant. For more details contact us on